Hi, Salam Alaikum. A warm welcome to everyone. Thank you for finding time to watch this video. My name is Ayishah and I graduated with psychology degree, counseling, psychotherapy, coaching, homeopathy, natural medicine, and I'm author of those two books. But for most parts, for past 15 years, I had been supporting hundreds and hundreds of clients who needed support in finding their identity, healing their trauma, dealing with their symptoms of anxiety, depression. I worked with them individually, I worked with them in family settings, I worked with their children, and I worked with them as a couples. To be frank, I think I always knew I would become a psychologist or psychotherapist of some sort. You can call it a life calling, because since a young age I ask myself questions why people feel the way they feel, think the way they think, commit to choices, do things the way they do. And that obviously led me to plenty reading, investigations, then studies, never-ending trainings, and years later here I am, fully embodied psychotherapist, counselor, psychologist, homeopath and naturopath. What kind of therapist am I? I think a curious one, accepting of where you are, but also a bit of a detective. I want to understand where the symptoms of anxiety, depression, anger, grief are coming from. So I want to go back and see, how was your childhood like? Are there any childhood traumas that needs releasing? I want to hear from you about your pain as much as about your ambitions, most likely those unfulfilled ones as well. I see our meeting as a genuine, honest, open, safe meeting of two souls. I want to understand your values. I want to understand your relationships, the way you're creating them. I want to model for you a better version of relationships. What can you expect from me? Definitely honesty, but that comes with the challenge. You will definitely experience working with me engagement and true, honest need to help you, but also humor and pleasure, honor of staying with you in that space, which grows from pain, resentment, trauma into resilience, into a place in you that can nurture you into a better version of yourself, a place that can flourish within you for the better future, a future that you can leave as a legacy to your close ones, but also a testimony of your courage to heal. I don't believe that any of my clients should be attached to me for longer than they should. That's why I will give you away many homeworks. I will challenge you with psychology theories, so there will be plenty of psychoeducation, only because I want you to leave those sessions in full readiness. I want you to feel informed, I want you to feel autonomous, so the next thing challenging will happen in your life, and surely that is coming. You will remember our sessions and you will know to which theories, which reservoirs in yourself you need to tap into in order to not survive the challenge but thrive because of it.